Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is data sorting in different methods. There are various scenarios where we need to sort the data. There are a variety of methods to sort the data. First, we will sort using the custom list option. Here, various Emirates are given as the area. We had already created a custom list for the Emirates in an earlier topic. Now, we will sort based on this list. Select Sort option from Data tab. We had already selected the table. In the Sort By option, we shall select Area and in Order box, we shall select Custom List. In the Custom List window, we shall select the custom list that we had created earlier. On clicking on OK, the system will sort the data based on the custom list we had selected. This is very useful as we can sort the given data according to our requirement. Next, we shall sort data in multiple columns. For example, this table has area, month and sales. We will sort data based on two columns, area and month. We shall sort area in alphabetic order and month based on the custom list. So, we shall select A to Z as order for area. We shall add the next level and select month here. In the order box, we shall select custom list option and select January-February list which was made earlier. On clicking on OK, we can see that data have been sorted accordingly. Next sorting is using conditional formatting. Here in the sales column, we can see icons which are in a random order. Let us sort this. In Sort By box, we shall give sales and in Sort On box, we shall select conditional formatting icon. In the order box, we shall select the green color icon and select on top as we want these icons at the top. Next, we shall select the next level. Here also we shall select sales and conditional formatting icon. In the order box, we shall select red color icon and select on bottom for this, as we want the red icons to be arranged at the bottom. On clicking on OK, we can see that the green icons have come in the top, yellow color in the middle and red color at the bottom. Now all these data were easily sorted using this function. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.